Hey, Geomatic here. Hey, I'm at the Ridgeland Baptist Church here in Ridgeland, South Carolina for the fireworks display for July 4th. Y'all stay with me. You can see I got my Buc-ee's 4th of July t-shirt on, and I'm going to check out the fireworks. Last year I had a great little vlog, and everybody saw it, and it was about the fireworks display here. And they have it every year now at the church, and let's go see how it looks. Y'all stay with me. Hey, it's Geomatic. Hey, I made it through, and I registered and got a ticket for Chick-fil-A. Oh, I must be getting out the Chick-fil-A day out here. And I get all these people out here. A lot of people out here. You got the fire department. You got Bouncy House over there. And hopefully my microphone is working. But sure, you got my chair. They got some music over there. A lot of people here. And I just got bit by something. But y'all stay with me. I wanna be a forever. Stand up for you and always be a fighter. Holding your hand, tying this right. Crown my shoulder in the middle of the night. You're my everything. Down with the air, holding the ring. Will you marry me? I don't need to be the first. Maybe however, I wanna be a forever. I wanna be a forever. I wanna be a forever. Thank you. They got me a chicken sandwich. Carry me home to see my kids. Sing songs about a lot of people out here. I need to go back to the truck, get my get my chair. Sing check it out. I went back to the truck and I got my chair, and I'm going out here and sit down and watch fireworks. It's gonna be great. Hopefully you can hear me pretty good with this microphone on, and it's a little light already, and it's awesome. All right, talk to you later. Yay, fireworks. Damn. Whoa. Yeah. Boom. Hey, if you can still see me, I was the fireworks at the Ridgeland Baptist Church in Ridgeland, South Carolina. 4th of July fireworks. I had a great time here, and it's dark, but let me again. I'm turning the light on now. It's me again, Mad Cat here, and thanks for watching. Love you, and subscribe. Hey, that was the Ridgeland Baptist fireworks this year for the 4th of July. That was Mad Cat here live. And thanks for watching. And subscribe to YouTube and further adventures with the Mad Cat. Have a good day.